Hello gorgeous! In this video, I'm going to show you how I take care of my hair every 3 months as a routine. From hair trimming, hair color, and for hair care and fabulous look all the time. The most important hair care is hairstyling. That's why I'm going to show you my new hair color. And this is not just regular hair color, but is super special. Let's find out. Alright, ready? It is a Rota. Rota from TYMO, also my favorite hair color. But this is a different series. This is a just curler and there is automatic, and then we'll see. Let's find out how special. Ready? What's inside the box has a 2 hair clips, and this is a user manual, and then the gloves if you feel it's not really safe. It's kind of cool. TYMO. And this is the color itself. That's it. And this is always really useful for travels or for storage. Alright, testing time. If the power is on and then pressed here for 2 seconds, the power button. This is the default settings, 360 degrees. Then choose how many degrees you like. It depends on how thick your hair, how dry your hair. And this is also the button right, turn right and left. This is right. And the other one is turn left. Isn't that cool? Awesome. Here we go. It is ready for styling. Super excited to try Rota, but I need to trim my hair first. It's getting drier, getting thicker, and I must give a little touch at my roots here. It's getting gray and brown and black. It does not look good anymore. Third layer or top part of the head, I always divide it to become 2 parting, and then 2 parts again. Alright guys, I already color my hair, touch up the roots here, and get ready to try on this Rota. Just press 2 seconds here. There you go, and then choose whichever you prefer on your hair, if your hair thick. So I will recommend like the highest here, like mine. Just wait for a couple seconds. So here ready, not blink anymore. And then we'll just, because I'm gonna roll it out, so will be this at the left button. All right, that's neat. Wow. And stop here. Guess again my hair is kinda thick, so I need to wait. Voila. Okay, this is opposite, should be outside, going out. So just put in my hair here. To be really careful, close by your ears here. I get to wait just a little bit longer. Fantastic! Love it! Definitely so much easier. Second layer, guys. So good. Last part, guys. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the final result. Usually, to make it look more natural, I'm just press a little bit in here on the roots. Or you can also use your finger to make it more natural look. Use your fingers like this. Now you have it, the beach wave hairstyle with TYMO ROTA series. And if you want it like mine, please check the link down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon. Love you.